you're watching a replay of this, either way, you shouldn't be skipping on it, because in this webinar, we're going to learn the skill of building a e-commerce website using WordPress. You see, WordPress powers more than 70% of the websites on the web. That's right, 70% websites on the web. Is that even a right word to say? Yeah. So more than 70% websites on the internet. That's what the power of WordPress is. And WordPress is by default easy to customize, easy to you know add more features in. Basically add a plugin and your WordPress website looks amazing right now. So in this webinar, since most of you are joining in right now, what we're going to do is we're going to learn the skill of building an e-commerce site from scratch. So we call it WooCommerce since it's WordPress related. And we're going to start from scratch, from the basics. Basically, we've already bought a domain name, we already got hosting, but after that, what actually happens after that? From a basic skeleton, we're going to showcase that to you, how to build your own e-commerce site. Good on your end. Yeah, do you actually want to learn? If you're a new beginner, if you've never built an e-commerce site, we're going to show you how easy it is to build an e-commerce site. You can actually learn the skill, charge your clients, charge people. We're also going to show you how you can do that as well. And we have a really special guest with us here tonight. His name is Abir, and he is the founder of Dynoshop, a WooCommerce theme that actually is really fast, is really is gonna make your WooCommerce building websites really simple. So hi, what's up? How's everything going?
Yeah, Minang, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fantastic this side. Thank you so much for joining. And can you quickly tell the users on what they can expect out of this webinar?
Okay, so in this webinar, this is first of all, I need to introduce myself again. I
Yes.
have introduced myself a lot and lot of time for the pitch ground in the pitch ground lives. So I am the founder and co-owner, especially from themespell.com. I am actually launching this company almost 5 plus years. So Themespell is mainly focused on clients services like WordPress based client services and Laravel based client services. But recently we have focusing on products like WordPress themes and WordPress plugins and even some custom WordPress projects. So last in the last April we have launched one of our most selling product, local press, and yes, it has boomed in the Pitchground marketplace. And in this webinar, we are actually discussing and we're actually showing about our newly released product, Dynoshop, which is actually one of the most requested product that a lot of local press users and some another users are asking for. That didn't we have any theme or any solution for e-commerce users, or especially for e-commerce users, as they can easily build e-commerce website without any issue. So we in the webinar they will get a good knowledge and a fully knowledge that how actually they can create their own e-commerce website using e-commerce and without actually having any of technical knowledge or any of even coding knowledge. No need to coding or no need to do any of technical parts. So that's about from myself actually and about the
That's
webinar.
great. Then I think we can actually note down, guys. If you are watching this, do not skip on this, because we're gonna showcase you from start till finish on how we're gonna build an e-commerce website. So, what kind of e-commerce website are we gonna build? How is it gonna look? Show us first, because we want to see the results first. Then we're gonna be like, okay, yep, we have to. We can build this site in during the course of this webinar. You can share your screen and actually show it.
Okay, so first of all, that I'm sharing my screen.
It's just beside the video button. There's a laptop that has the screen share
Yes,
option, and that's where you can
we got
actually
the.
find it.
Okay, so first of all, I am introducing
One
this in the
second,
screen. Okay.
and yep, now we can see your screen. Let us quickly showcase the demo first.
Yeah. So first, we just actually landed the Dynoshop landing page. So this is the Dynoshop landing page. If we go to the themespell.com, we will find another option to go to the Dynoshop. So here is actually the Dynoshop landing page where we will get all of the information about what is Dynoshop and what actually it has given us benefit to build an e-commerce website. So first of all, I'm showing that how actually that which kind of website we can make using Dynoshop. So there are 20 plus pre-made website demos we have designed for different niches that anyone can easily build their website without any issue. Like there is camera shop, that if anyone who want to make a camera website, and a beard oil shop, and especially furniture website, organic shop, technology shop, and
I
gym
think my
website.
personal favorite was the footwear or sneakers. I think what
Wow,
was the one?
okay,
Yeah.
fine. So here is a footwear design we have already made. And if we check the demos in here, you can see
Okay.
that there is the completely website built using the Dynoshop. And not only the home page, you can all the inner page has also designed. Like if we go to any single product, we have find that single product page has already designed, and it's just loading. And if we go to the beard care website, it's also made for beard oil, and especially for beard related products. If we go to the gym shop,
I think CBD guys can also use that
yeah,
beard theme.
definitely CVD guys also use these beard care products and beard care demos
Yes.
here.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you can create a website like that. I think you can create a website like this which has all the products over there,
Yeah,
and you can actually showcase what it is. You can showcase the simple product. We are going to learn actually in this
yeah.
webinar. Awesome, awesome.
And here is actually the organic shop. Anyone who want to build a organic based product, like which can be a grocery shop, he can easily use an organic shop design we have already made. And all of these things from the footwear to gallery section, and a lot of things for actually for the technology shop, like any gadget based website, he or she can easily using this gadget based design for this purpose especially. And this Minak, it's your choice. There's a footwear
Yes.
design. So it's actually made for footwear products, that anyone, any kind of footwear products, or shoes or sneakers, or any kind of foot related products, he can easily sell using these demos. Okay.
Perfect, perfect. So that's actually really interesting. So how
And this is
does
one of the most asking design, that gym shop. Because there is a lot of niches, lot of businesses available in the web, those who actually want to sell gym related products or fitness care related products. So this is the one of the most uh, great demo to choose if anyone wants to build the fitness related website.
perfect, perfect. Now I think we can build all these websites, but how do we actually do that? I think
Okay.
let's start from the basics right now.
Okay. So first of the, if we go to the basic, we must have any a domain or hosting. So
Hmm.
if we go to the godaddy.com, we can purchase any domain in from godaddy.com. So let's say that we have already buy a domain and hosting from GoDaddy or similar kind of companies like Namecheap or even SiteGround or something else. So they will give us a panel like cPanel or similar like website panel, and it will comes with default WordPress installation. But like GoDaddy has comes with a default WordPress installation. If we purchase hosting from there, like if
Got
you go to
it.
the hosting, they have already web hosting or managed WordPress e-commerce. We can use the managed WordPress e-commerce. Anyone who want to purchase this one, it has already installed with it will already comes with the WordPress installation. And my personal choice is to use the Cloudways, because we already using Cloudways for a couple of years ago, and it gives us the best performance in the most of the affordable pricing. So if we using Cloudways, they will also provide us the domain and hosting solution in a very affordable price and very quickly solution. So I am actually using Cloudways because I am actually show you the demo using Cloudways, that I have already installed the demo server in here. This is my demo server details that I have already installed. Here is my admin panel and username password. That's it.
So before
So
we proceed further, I would like to ask the users out there, are you guys interested to learn how to build from scratch? And so far, is it everything clear on your end? The audio, video, etc. Because first step is buying the domain, second step is choosing the hosting. We've shown cloud-based hosting right now. So third step is actually building how easy it is to build e-commerce. So if you guys are with me, just tell us in the chat, because it's actually easy to build an e-commerce site. We're going to show you how. It's not that hard as well. So we are waiting for your comments to come in, and tell us, guys. We are seeing that, and oh, great. It's coming, and perfect, perfect, awesome, awesome. So this is the screen is by default enabled now, and go ahead. Yeah.
okay, so this is the actually CloudWare's admin panel. So we don't need to focus so much on here, because this actually CloudWare will give us after install the WordPress. So after WordPress installation, we will get this URL. We can change it using our domain panel, and if we just have a minimal knowledge to join the domain to our web hosting, we can easily do. Otherwise, we can ask for CloudWare support to join our preferred domain. From here you can easily manage the domain management without any issues, or they will actually, if we ask for a support, they will easily hold domain, add the domain to our site. So I'm not going to details in this part. So after that we will find this admin panel from our CloudWare's admin panel, or the website. This is actually blank website that has running using the CloudWares. Here is the CloudWares subdomain we are actually using to test the Dynoshop. So after that we just go to the theme panel. Oh, I have already installed the Dynoshop here. Okay, I'm just deleted it to show you from the first. Okay, let's say it's completely clear.
Yes, we are
So
going to show you from the start, from the scratch, so you don't miss out. So how
yeah,
does the WordPress website now look like?
it's
If we
actually
can
look
see.
like yes, it's totally blank. This is the
Yes,
current design.
that's your blank WordPress website, guys. And now we're gonna actually turn it into an e-commerce website. We're gonna show you
Yeah.
how. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so we are going to the dashboard, and we need to install the theme from the theme panel. We go to the appearance, and you need to select themes. Then we just click on add new themes, and we need to click on the upload theme button, and you need to choose the files, because this actually not available in WordPress directory. So it's actually a zip file you will get when anyone purchase the Dynoshop from our website or page dot. They will get a zip file like Dynoshop, and if anyone click on open, and we need to click on the install now button, and it needs some time to install the theme. Okay, the theme has installed it. Now we need to click on the activate button, so it will activate. Okay, so our theme Dynoshop has activated properly. Now we just go to, before we just find that there is a notification here. The Dynoshop requires the following plugins: Dynoshop demo import, Elementor page builder, and some other plugins. So we need to click on begin installing plugins, and after all, then we need to select this button that we have to install all the recommended plugins that need to run using Dynoshop. Then we need to select the install and click on the apply. It will automatically download and activate all the recommended plugins that actually need to run Dynoshop properly. It needs a couple of minutes or less than that. Okay, so the download has successfully, and installing activation has done, and we need to go to the return to the dashboard button. Okay, so returning. So okay, after clicking on dashboard, it actually moves us to the WooCommerce panel. We don't need to think about so more. We just going to remove that and go to the WP admin panel. Okay, so here is the panel, and we just do the first things first. There is some ready-made pages and posts are actually coming with the WordPress installation, so we need to remove them first. So after I'm clicking all posts, we just need to remove all the previous posts, and then we need to remove the previous pages that has already made by the WooCommerce default. So we need to click on the move to trash and we need to click on the apply. Okay, so this part has done. Now we need to import our ready-made designs. So you need to go to the appearance and you need to click on the import demos button. Okay, so here is the demo imported and all the ready-made design are showing in here. So now we just select one of the demo that we want to import. So I just want to import one of my preferred demos like outdoor gear shop. Okay, so we just click on, if we preview the demo, you can, okay, if we click down, it will show us the preview that how the demo actually made the demo design. So this is the actually demo design. We have the ready-made design. So we just click to need on the import demo button and let's click to the continue and import, and it will importing all the contents and all the design from our the theme spell server to the existing server, to the cloud-based server, the existing hosting that we actually want to install these demos. So okay, so the imported has completed, and now the last part we need to adjust some settings. First we need to go to the settings and we need to go to the reading option. Okay, we need to select a static page and we need to select the home page and select on the home. Okay, and we need to select the save page button. Done. Now we need to go to the WooCommerce and need to click on the settings. Okay, then we need to click on the product, and here is a shop page. We need to search the shop. We just select the shop. If it sometimes it should be selected automatically a default page, but we need to select just our shop related the name, and we need to click on the save changes. And here's the last part, we need to go to the advanced option and need to select the cart page. So we can go, if we search on cart, here is the cart. Yeah, you have already seen that there is a previous cart page has made it, but there is a two IDs. Actually, we the WooCommerce has defaultly installed one cart pages, but we have removed it. We just to install our Dynoshop cart page in here. So we just click on the cart and same as the checkout, and this is the checkout button. Okay, done. Now we need to click on the save changes. Okay, so that's done. Now we just go to our website. If we click on the visit store, and yes, our design has made successfully. And not only the home page, there is a single product page. We have already found the single product page. If we click on add to cart button, it has already added to this cart, and if we go to the cart section, the product has added to the cart successfully. If we go to the proceed to checkout section, it will also show us the checkout features same as the demo. And also not only that, but also we can also check our single page that there is a blog section in here. If you go to the blog section, we will also get the blog contents in here. And also if we go to the single pages like refund policy, we just want to show our refund policy, there is also had made. And all of these are fully customizable using the drag and drop page builder Elementor.
Wow.
Nothing need to touch any kind of codes, any kind of technical knowledges. So anyone who has have customization knowledge using the Elementor page builder, he can easily changes all the design, all the settings from the Elementor page builder settings, which
and
actually possible.
and let's make it really clear, people only need Elementor free version to do it.
Yeah, people only need the Elementor free version, no need
Perfect,
free version.
perfect. Yeah.
We have made it a special functionalities in Dynoshop. Then anyone can easily change all the settings and use all the things using the like the Elementor Pro, but no Elementor Pro needed. We have already built some special feature for Dynoshop that can do all the things without any kind of third party or installation plugin or Elementor Pro. That's it.
Guys, you're getting an awesome platform. So basically we actually built our e-commerce website. We are clocking just 19 minutes into the webinar right now. Did you actually expect that we would actually build an e-commerce site so fast, so easily? Like, if you look at the products, it's all ready. So if you just need to replace it with the actual products you've got, and for that you need to basically click product images, or and you can either click product images, or you can use a photographer for it,
how to conduct your own work.
or you can what you can do is you can click product images and use background removal tools to remove those backgrounds and then actually upload them. That's what you can actually do. That's simple, as simple it is, and then update the price, and that's how it is. But the doubt you must be getting right now is like, okay, how do we actually pay? How does payment gateway work? That's a different thing. You didn't even show us in the webinar, Minag. Do you agree with me in the chat? Tell me right now. Because we actually thought of that as well. We actually want to show you that aspect of it as well. That's the beauty of WordPress. So I want to see in the chat real quick who's those who are actually following it up since the beginning. Tell us, do you actually want to see how this payment gateway thing is actually done? Um,
Well, Minak, in the meantime, that I think that we have missed some another awesome feature of Dynoshop. We just forget to introduce
sure,
that
sure,
one.
sure. Bring it on, bring it on. Yeah.
Okay. So this is especially for Dynoshop agency users, not for the personal and the business users. We have three plans available in the page ground. So Dynoshop agency users will get special option in Dynoshop options, which will get general settings, white label settings, and limit access settings. So first of all, the general setting is pretty simple, not very special. Like if we want to change our website favicon, like this icon. Okay, so this icon we want to change, and there will a lot of people using custom plugins or even hard code or even custom code in their website. But in Dynoshop, they don't need to think anything else. They just click on the upload here and select the media library, or they can select upload button to create custom icons. Like we just want to use this logo. It's very big, but we need to use a small logo, like 64 to 64 pixel will be standard. I'm just showing for just a demo. If we click on select, if we save this, and if we click on reload, oh, this was the previous. Okay, and you see the logo has changed already. It has already changed. No need to use any third-party plugin. So you can replace it any of logos, any of favicons, any of icons that you want. Okay, so this is the simplest feature. We just dive into the major feature for that. It's white labeling. So what is actually white labeling? Let's show the difference. First of all, if we go to the appearance and go to the themes, that Dynoshop comes with default Dynoshop branding and all of the Dynoshop details in the theme panel. So let's change this. We want to change this. No, we don't no need to use the Dynoshop branding. Okay, that's fine. We're just enabling the white label settings. We just want to name theme name like Minang theme. Okay. And theme made by Minang. This is the theme description. If we click on the
Yes,
theme,
that's my theme, guys. That's my theme. Yeah.
theme version 1.0, no, theme version is 99.0.
Yeah, 100.
Okay,
Yeah.
theme one for me,
You
Minang.
can actually make all those changes if you're doing this for clients, if you're
Yeah,
building websites for different clients. I think this truly make sense for you, because they don't actually see this as okay, you're using Dynoshop theme. Why? No, your clients won't actually see that. You can add your own theme version, you can add your own theme author and everything, so that if I'm using it on clients' websites, it truly makes sense. That's the true power of white labeling, guys.
yeah,
You can call your client, you can call the client and be like, hey, it's a custom made website that we have used, and etc., and you can charge more on this particular thing. The client won't actually know it's Dynoshop. And that's the beauty if you go with the agency plan of Dynoshop. Yep, please go ahead. Yeah.
yeah. So in this here, we just if we want to click on the save changes button, and the settings are saved. Now let's reload this page. And yes, our theme has completely changed. The theme name, theme version, and everything has changed. So this is the power of white labeling, that anyone who just want to sell, we just want to create a website for their clients, especially some small agencies and mid-level agencies are using Dynoshop for unlimited website for their clients. They must need the white labeling, because most of the clients actually ask just it actually harm their branding, that why they're using a ready-made solution. And some of clients that I have find that most of my clients just ask that am I using a ready-made solution for their website? Definitely. So I just need to just convince about it. Yes, obviously I have made, but I have added some custom functionalities. But most of the users, most of the clients doesn't want to understand that. So then I need the white labeling feature, and the client is happy also. We are happy also. Okay.
Absolutely. That's how that's how the agency business works, guys. If you guys are who are in the agency business, you
Yeah.
must be already be knowing it. Praful Thakkar here has a very nice question that I would like to answer. So Praful says, what about the support? All right. So since you're running an e-commerce website, there might be many support requests that can come in. For support, what happens is there are many different ways. It's That's the beauty of WordPress. There are many different ways that you can actually do this support. One, you can install any support plugin from WordPress repository, or you can go with support widgets that look like this one. So you can look at this. There's a bot, or you can just talk to the support and sales. You can basically have this kind of bot and everything on your website, and you can collect emails like this: hi@hi.com. Let's say I'm just entering a random email, or you can and then you can actually chat with the uh, support a thing. So this is a Jiku bot that's available on lifetime deal. So support is a different thing altogether. There are many free support apps as well if you want to get started with that, but this is like a support bot, live chat and etc that you can have using a Jiku software. But there are many different apps that you can install. You need not just install Jiku. What we recommend is Jiku because it's on a lifetime deal. You can just get it and all that. But you can install any support app out there on WordPress. That's the beauty of WordPress. You're gonna get it. So over
One
to you.
thing that Minank, I think he maybe just also want to know that about Dynoshop support, that how we actually support our Dynoshop purchaser and Dynoshop customers.
Oh yes, that's a very good question. Yes,
Yeah.
let's answer that. You Yeah.
Will I answer? Are you?
No, no. What I'm saying is, how can people reach out to you, like the
Okay.
Dynoshop support,
So,
if
okay.
they are like if they face any issues or
Yeah,
anything?
yeah, definitely. So, Dynoshop comes with a lifetime update and support, especially for the page ground purchaser. So, if we go to our website themespell.com, you will find a sorry, it's already, you will find it speak to us, that the live chat option is already ready in here. You can just place your name, email, and your product and explain your problem, and then any of our support member will contact. If anyone don't find in our here, so no problem, just go to our support link and create a ticket in here, submit a ticket button, and we will reply as soon as possible. We have seen the support ticket, but most
Guys,
of the,
so basically what happens is, like, you get this lifetime deal, unlimited websites. Is it unlimited websites?
yeah, for the agency deal is unlimited
Oh,
website.
great. So, unlimited websites, you can go on building sites for your clients. More and more demos will be added in the coming days. And what's happening is that, let's say you face any issue, you can actually contact or open a ticket, and Theme Spell guys are here, more than willing to answer every single question
Yeah.
that you got. But
And
Praful here
even
has
last but not least, that
yeah.
we don't support only in our support channel. We also giving support in our email info@themespell.com, and even our Facebook group. So
Oh,
here is our
shows your
Facebook group.
Facebook group. Yeah.
Here is our Facebook group, facebook.com/, group slash local theme spell. So this is our Facebook group.
So this Facebook group, I believe anyone can join regarding WordPress. If they need any
Yeah,
help
definitely.
regarding WordPress or any tips, tricks, and etc., they can join this team. So you're almost about to reach 100 members. That's awesome, guys. So this is the group you can join, guys. If you have any doubts regarding WordPress, also if you're building websites on WordPress, if you have any doubts, feel free to post it in the group. We are happy, more than happy. WordPress experts are there.
Yeah.
It's about all about helping each other, and that's what the community is.
Yeah.
So Praful, here is a follow-up question: how do we stay online 24/7? Praful, you cannot be online in 24/7, of course. There are after hours as well. So what happens is, that's why the support software should collect your email. Then you can follow up with the user on the email about the query, about whatever it is, and etc. So that's how you actually tackle users. You cannot be online 24/7. So that's what it is. You if you see us on PitchGround website also, there's a support button. We use an app called Communication. It's our own in-house app. It's we ask your name, email, and everything, and we there's a support ticket that's created beyond it. Just comes to your email, and whenever the support messages, it actually goes to their email. So these support apps is a different expense that you need to bear. You can either go monthly or buy a lifetime deal. That's up to you. But this is like the Dynoshop lifetime deal. That's for building your e-commerce site. For support, for rest of the others, you need to have other functionality that you can install. Perfect. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
I'm glad you
So
got it, Praful. Yeah.
okay, so let's get back to the white labeling feature. So we have already explained the white labeling features, and there is another important feature we have implemented in our Dynoshop. This is the limit access feature. So some of your clients just asking that they, that the client that have not even a good knowledge in WordPress, or they just can mesmerize these of type options. They just they can install unwanted plugins or themes, so you can control them just using these buttons. Just we if we click on the hide these settings, if we click on the hide these settings, and if we click on save, and if we reload, that all of our common settings, that plugin installation and all of the settings has removed. That means hide. So anyone that can easily install any kind of plugins or themes, it couldn't be possible. It's especially for agency owners, those who want that their clients don't need so much features and so much options. They just need to post page and WooCommerce for updating and adding their new products. That's it. And if anyone hide their Dynoshop options features also, he can also on this button, but must save this URL first, because otherwise they couldn't log in to the option. Okay, like I
It-
have saved this, and if I reload the site,
you see that Dynoshop options also goes away. So basically, your client will never know that this is
yeah,
Dynoshop.
there's Dynoshop.
That's the one we've taken care of. No need to worry on that front at all. You can call it Praful theme or whatever it is, whatever you want to call it actually.
Right.
And your client will think, oh, you installed a Praful theme. No, it's custom made by Praful.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that.
Right.
Yeah.
So if we want to go to the Dynoshop option again, then we have saved that URL first. We just go to the URL, and we just on the option easily that we
Yes.
can back Dynoshop again.
This is the agency features, guys. I honestly think you should go with the agency plan. Why? Because I'm gonna show you the amount of potential money that you can make. I'm on Fiverr right now. This is our number one website when it comes to getting things done, right? You
Yeah.
look at any gig out there. You look at any gig out there. It's about 10,000 rupees, which is about $150. It's not Fiverr is not no longer $5 website. You have many people offering services. Base service is only $15,000 and 15,000 rupees, sorry, not dollars, and etc. This one is $1,000. So basically, e-commerce website using WooCommerce is $1,000, guys. People are charging thousands of dollars just to build an e-commerce website. I'm not cooking this stat up. This is on Fiverr. I'm actually showing it to you live on Fiverr. So you can be building, you can be listing here, or you can, you know, do your own marketing for your own, uh, you know, your own gig. You can go on different websites like Upwork, etc., or you can use your own personal branding and all that to, you know, make WooCommerce websites for your clients. So as you can see here, many people are offering different services at different price ranges. You too can be doing that. And That's why you can do that easily, basically, with the Dynoshop lifetime deal that we are offering, guys. Since Praful is saying that, okay, what's the how do we actually do for live chat? We have two LTDs for that. One is WhatsApp widget. So basically, you have like a WhatsApp widget coming on your website. I'm going to show you how it is. See, you can have this floating widget coming on your website. This is very easy to do on WordPress. It takes literally 2 minutes on your WordPress to actually have this kind of widget, WhatsApp widget. It's super easy. It'll directly go to that agent's WhatsApp, and you can see here it opens your WhatsApp. So what you can do is basically get people to connect with you on WhatsApp, or you can use Jiku. This is more of like a ticketing software. It's more professional. For people who don't want to use WhatsApp, you can use Jiku for sure. And because you can build a chatbots as well using Jiku. This is like a completely different software than WhatsApp. So we have two LTDs for support. So if you want support for your e-commerce, you should definitely take a look at both these LTDs and make your choice. That is what it is. But to build an e-commerce website, you first need this one. Yes, let me be frank with you. You can be using any sort of e-commerce theme and etc. Yep, true. What all we showed you right now, you can be using any sort of e-commerce theme to build the site. But do they have options to change the name? Do they have options to completely disable the settings and hide the settings? Do they offer unlimited websites, or they offer $100 per two websites or one website per yearly support? That's right. That's the rate that's going on. You can check out the themes. Right now, you're getting lifetime support. You're also getting the unlimited websites option. You're also getting the option for white labeling. That's only that we only see it in this LTD section, and this is the roadmap of Dynoshop, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is actually the roadmap. We have already achieved this part. The version 1.0 feature that we have already implemented, and version 1.0 is currently running in Dynoshop, like 20 plus demos, header and footer builder, single post builder, like everything builder you can easily customize. So I don't want to explain more that if you are not a very technical person, but for the technical person, you can easily edit all of the things that we have available, it is available in Elementor Pro. So all of the things actually available in here, you can easily customize all of them. And but also the it is mobile optimized as blot free code, that it's highly speed optimized also. And if we release new update, you will get automatically update notification from your WordPress admin panel. Although you can not automatic update, because update the theme, because we have actually blocked the feature due to security reason, and for to make the theme now. But you will get the notification from the admin panel, also the white labeling feature. And this is also it is also actually compatible with EDD. That easy digital download is one of the most used plugin to create easy digital download
Oh,
website.
so
Okay.
basically, users can be selling virtual products as well.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
they can easily
Wow,
sell. But
guys.
we didn't made any demos now. We just make it compatible. We are upcoming version. The ED demos is coming soon.
Guys, imagine you don't have to be those you don't have to sell physical products like this. You can be selling your ebooks, you can be selling anything basically for digital downloads. Wow, this actually makes sense. This theme 100% supports that. Most e-commerce sites don't actually support this digital download option. This one supports, and honestly, you're getting it on a lifetime deal. I really
Yeah.
don't know what else you guys want here.
And here is the upcoming core features that I need to slightly discuss. That the Dynoshop currently have not advanced level filtering feature like Amazon. We can easily filter all of the things, like from prices, from sizes, and lot of things. It We are working on the feature that you can easily actually filter all of the products, like the Amazon or even the Walmart. Even also we are working on the mega menu, and the mega menu is coming soon. You can easily add your Google Tag Manager code, you can add your Google Analytics code.
Love
No
it,
need to
love it.
use any third party plugin. Even these are actually the fully technical part. So I
I
just
mean, you
skip.
can actually add it by default right now, but what happens is they want to make it even more friendly to
Yeah.
the users. That's why. So when is EDD going to be released? It's already released. It's already live. Profile. You can just go check it out. It is
The
already live.
EDD compatible, actually the EDD is actually compatible, but the demo is not ready
Okay.
made yet. We didn't make any demo for EDD because we just want user ideas that users really like the EDDs. Then we have stopped the demo, but we are working on, here is the upcoming demos we are actually working. So you will got all the EDD functions in our upcoming demos also.
I see some two in nice ones over there in the upcoming demos. That's Amazon clone, AliExpress clone. Basically,
Definitely,
you can
definitely.
have your website look like
Yeah,
AliExpress and Amazon with
yeah.
just few clicks of a button. Very nice feature,
And
especially
this
for those
actually very
clients.
important for drop shipping users, those who
Okay.
actually create drop shipping businesses. We are coming with the drop shipping support also.
Oh, love it, love it. I mean, this theme has everything you need to run your e-commerce website business, guys. You want, okay, you don't have physical products, sure, we have digital products as well. So EDD demo is coming soon, but if you can replace the regular product with an EDD, for sure, you can 100% do it right away. It's completely live for you to do it. No issues on that front. Please, if you're stuck anywhere, message us, tag us. You have a support group as well where we can
Definitely.
answer all your questions and all that. So we have everything, guys. All you need to do is now you need to make your own e-commerce website and start selling products, be it digital products or physical products, or if you're doing drop shipping. Everything is being supported right now. You are ready. You're basically ready to go.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome, awesome. This is interesting. But one thing I would like to talk about before, but we didn't talk about this, is how do we actually get the payments? Right? Come on. Who am I even kidding? It's like, yeah, e-commerce website is easy to build, great, but how do we actually gonna get the payments? How it's actually gonna work? Abir, do you like to tell people?
Okay, so payments actually is a slightly complex to for the user to understand, but I'm just making it very simple. That most of the peoples that want to sell their products, if we go to for international, we are using PayPal or Stripe. So in the WordPress, they have already made the super simple in here. If we go to the WordPress admin, and if we go to oh, I have already hide the plugin settings. Just I didn't find it.
So basically, you don't want anything for the client to see. Ah, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will work now.
One click enable, guys. You don't have to
Yeah.
worry if you have hidden out any stuff. If you don't want a client to get all these features, sure, it's fine.
So if we go to the plugins and click on the add new button, and we will find the thousand and a lot of plugins available in WordPress directory. So we just want to select the perfect plugin that which actually we want. Like if we want PayPal, you can use the PayPal plugin. Very simple. We just easily use the PayPal plugin.
So
There is a,
basically, one needs to have an account with PayPal
yeah,
before. See, guys, this is how it's gonna work. Okay, you see these plugins and all, it's totally fine. But if you actually want them to work and accept payments, you need to open an account with PayPal, and then you need to like tell them that you're a business, show them and all that, so they approve you, and then you can add this plugin over there and then start collecting payments in your account. So PayPal is more like an international payment gateway, but that's the beauty of WordPress. You can be using Stripe. There are many Stripe plugins out there.
yeah.
You can also be using Razorpay. Can you type in Razorpay over there? Because I'm sure Razorpay also will have a plugin for sure.
Yes,
That's
Razorpay
that's the
has
beauty
already.
of WordPress. Let me see. Let me see. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Oh,
Yeah.
Razorpay has a plugin. So with Razorpay, one can pay using UPI, Paytm, and all that, credit card, debit card, and accepting all that. Razorpay is more of an like an Indian-oriented payment gateway, but you can be using any payment gateway: Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, anything. So yeah.
Definitely.
Um. Uh, Praful is actually asking. Actually, I'm a beginner in this field and want to learn more about e-commerce. I appreciate you can help me in the path to how go about it. We can take it offline, not necessarily here. Praful, I would want you to join that group. You
Sure.
can share the link. You can show the group actually, Abir.
Yeah, sure.
And maybe share the link in the private chat as well so that I
Yeah,
can
definitely. So
pass it
here
on
is
to
the group
Praful
link. Here is the group link, and I am then sharing it. Mm,
in the private chat. Yeah.
yeah.
Perfect. I can see it in the private chat. And this is the group, guys. Any help you need, Praful, I think you'll be needing help for sure. Feel free to reach out.
Or
So,
even you can contact me in Facebook Messenger if you need some personal discussion. I am also available. Just lock
yes.
me in my profile. I'm just also sharing my profile in here. Here is the
Praful, we want you to build an e-commerce site. That's what it is. We want you to build an e-commerce site, and we are offering all our support. I don't think we offer this kind of support anywhere on PitchGround
yeah.
for like this. So see, Praful, you basically install WordPress, you install the Dynoshop theme, you customize it based on your liking using Elementor, which is stupidly simple to use. It's that
Yeah.
simple. It's damn simple to use Elementor. Basically, it's drag and drop builder, as they can call it. That's what it is. Elementor free again. You don't have to pay for any more plugins and all that. It's done. Your website is actually done. So, Praful says already joined the group. Awesome, awesome. Perfect. Good to see you, Praful. Whenever you're making, you'll come across doubts. Please post it in the group. Happy to answer it. Happy to answer every single query you got. Yeah. So that's how you will connect a payment gateway. Very simple. You have to make an account with Stripe or PayPal or Razorpay. They have to approve you. Then you have to submit all your bank details, GST, and all that. Since you're starting your business, and then you install this plugin. WordPress wise, it's simple to implement. Install a plugin is done. Bam. You have a payment gateway to implement. It's that simple. So different kind of demos that we can build. Let me just share my screen and show you how the different kinds of e-commerce sites you can build. Everything is customizable, truly customizable. No need to worry on that front. So if you are looking at this, you could be making any shop like this, literally any shop like this, and all of these shops are truly customizable. These are just demos for your convenience, for your understanding, for to make things truly simple to you. If you get a technology client, yes, you can build technology site easily. But you can make a technology site to look like boutique site. You can make a boutique site to look like organic site. You just have to do a little bit of tweaks here and there, everywhere, basically change the colors and everything. But every single thing out there is possible. The kind of clients you can get with all this is really insane. You can approach your local big fruit selling hub, and you can offer them like, we're gonna do this, um, you know a website for you, an e-commerce website where people can buy stuff, and basically implement a WhatsApp widget. You can tell them like, hey, I will make sure that you get all your orders on WhatsApp in case they don't want it. Every single thing is possible. That you just have to go out there and get some sales. That's what it is. We have LTDs. That's our job, giving you LTDs like this. But getting out sale, we are also telling you, educating you on how to do it. After that, getting out sale and etc., we can't get you customers. That's one thing we 100% cannot get you. But we can give you all the education you need so that you can go out, get customers, and you know close more sales for your business. So that is the Dynoshop lifetime deal, guys. We have different plans that we have. Starts at $49 for one website. If you just want to make one website, sure, go with the $49 plan, be done with it. But my personal favorite is the agency plan, because this is where you can actually make money, and I always look at making money for that. So even if you charge $100, which is like too low to make an e-commerce website, your hosting will actually cost you more for an e-commerce website. So even if you charge $100, that's the lowest. I don't recommend going any lower. In fact, $100 is also very low. Since you're starting out, beginning, then yeah, that's the price you're gonna charge, even if I tell you not to go. So even if you get two clients, you will get all your money back, and basically then start building unlimited websites for free. That's what it is, guys. That's what it is. This is Dynoshop lifetime deal. That's the advantage of getting things on lifetime. Actually helps. And since you want support, you can go to deals. You can check out other. Since you'll have local clients that ask WhatsApp, even WhatsApp has unlimited domains. It can be used on unlimited widgets and clients. So basically, everything unlimited for you. That's what it is. You could be building amazing sites, unlimited sites, and lifetime deal is beneficial for you. So I'm going to stop my screen share right now, and let's look at questions over there. Perfect. So any more questions before we end this meeting, guys? We are almost 1 hour in. We covered every single aspect. We don't want to leave you in lingo. We covered even the group as well, where you can join and ask questions, get answers, and all that. We're giving you our links as well. We're giving you every single thing. Now, go out and build e-commerce sites. Face any issues, come back to us. We are ready to help.
Sure.
Solve the issue, go out and again build e-commerce sites. So that's our promise. And yes, Praful, you are amazing. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. Awesome. So this has been an amazing webinar. We're going to wait for 1 more minute before we end this webinar because you guys have been staying since long. But before ending this webinar, I personally want to ask this question to you. Are you a bit confident? Just a bit. Okay, I'm not asking fully confident, just a bit confident before this webinar, like after joining this webinar, that you can go out and build an e-commerce website for yourself or your client. You can actually sustain this as a business and you can go forward with it. Can you or can you not? Just tell me yes or no in the chat down below. Because if you're not, I'll reach out to you. I'll make sure you are comfortable. And yes, I'm not going to give up until you get the until you can actually start building e-commerce websites. So yes or no, just tell me in the chat that you're going to get. Have been thinking of it for a while now. Now I do. Absolutely. Then the aim of this webinar is completely fulfilled. The aim of this webinar is completely fulfilled. Yes. Aditya, you're also here. I didn't know that you were watching it silently. So yes, thank you, Aditya. Yeah. So yes, you can go out and build e-commerce websites. It's not that hard of a skill, guys. Imagine the world before WordPress and all that. People used to hard code websites. People nowadays still do. And as a freelancer, you need not hard code every single client website. Clients basically don't understand hard coding and all that. They just want, okay, just build an e-commerce website for me. And you can build an e-commerce website within a day and just give them. And they're like, fine, we're done with it. Of course, yeah. So that's what it is. So I'm glad this has helped you out. Makes me feel happy as well. And thank you so much for joining this webinar, guys. Feel free to reach out to us if you have anything. And don't forget to grab the agency plan of Dynoshop. Yes. See ya.
Trying to create yourself a web store? Try Dynoshop. Dynoshop is a flexible and intuitive WooCommerce theme for WordPress that enables you to create any type of web store quickly and easily without having to hire a web developer. Select a template, tweak it a little bit, fill it with your content, and there you go! Welcome to the world of successful online business. Hurry up to get your copy of Dynoshop on pitchground.com, and hey, don't miss out on a use case video.